Good evening, everyone. This is regarding vaccine and COVID. There are two types of vaccines which are available in India currently. There's a Covaxin and Covishield. Between the first and the second dose, there should be a minimum of 6 to 8 weeks for Covishield vaccine, and mostly government is giving Covishield for uh, for people. So there should be a minimum 6 to 8 weeks gap between the first two doses of Covishield, and but for Covaxin it is between 4 to 6 weeks. So just after taking the first dose of vaccine, you should stay isolated. You should follow the strict COVID protocols, because if you are getting infection just after the first dose of vaccination, it is going to be more severe, because vaccine, for its action, it takes a minimum of 14 days. Like after for 15 days you will start developing antibody for it. But before developing antibody, that is between first day to 15th day, if you are getting the infection, the COVID-19 infection, it is going to be severe. So in it starts from vaccination center. Don't make it a hotspot for COVID virus. What I meant is, just you have to register yourself before going to vaccination center, so that the amount of rush will be less. You have to stay indoors after taking the vaccination, and just try to keep yourself as much isolated as possible, so that you don't get the infection. And once 15 days is over, you can stay normal. Otherwise also, because the infection is so infectivity rate is so high, you have to follow the COVID protocols anyway. So better to stay isolated in the first 15 days of vaccination, because the severity of the infection just after taking COVID vaccination is very high. And next is, when after taking two doses also of Covishield or Covaxin, even after 1.5 month, there are many people who are getting the infection. And but that infection so far now has been reported to be mild, and the vaccine is obviously giving you some level of immunity after first dose and after second dose. And after second dose you will definitely be protected, but that doesn't mean you have to remove your guards. Like, what are those guards are the mask. You have to wash your hands, you have to distance yourself. And supposingly you are getting a COVID infection anyway, yeah, you get a COVID infection. So what you have to do is consult your local doctor, get yourself tested by antigen test and RT-PCR if possible, and consult your local doctor and follow the advice accordingly. Or you can get a teleconsultation. Even I'm available for teleconsultation on my number given below, and you can contact any of your nearby doctor, your regular physician, and get a pulse oximeter and check your SpO2. You must be knowing about happy hypoxia. Like, for 7 days you'll be fine, your SpO2 will be 96, 98. Suddenly your oxygen level drops. So only it is called happy hypoxia, that suddenly you will be normal, you will be happy and out, and suddenly your oxygen level gets dropped. That is sometimes after between 8 to 14th day you get a cytokine storm. It's not possible for me to explain you each and everything, but what I meant is, just after getting an infection, you have to contact your local doctor and stay in touch with your local doctor or your telephonic doctor, whoever it will be possible, and do and follow the strict COVID protocols. Even after getting infection, to distance yourself from other family members, you have to stay in a separate room, stay yourself isolated, and the basic thing which everybody follow is steam gargle and medication, and that is foremost is hydration, and taking calpol 650 or paracetamol 650 or dolo 650 you have to take. Rest is according to the signs and symptoms which you have. You just don't have to